everyone. We are going to discuss the topic permanent account number, which is a part of GNU syllabus for BCom regular semester 6 and BCom financial semester 6. This topic is covered under paper workshop income tax and e-filing and paper income tax law 2. Today we will learn about PAN, its applicability, and how and where one can apply for PAN. PAN is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric identification number which is issued by Income Tax Department in the form of a laminated card. It serves as a ID proof. PAN, once issued, remains valid till the lifetime. It remains unaffected by change of address throughout the India. The Income Tax Department uses PAN to keep a track of assessees all financial transactions like tax payments, tax deduction at source, tax collection at source, return of income, specified transactions, and correspondence with the department. No two persons can have same PAN number. What are the details included in the PAN card? Details included in PAN card are name of person, father's name of the applicant's date of birth, PAN card number, that is 10-digit number in which first 5 characters being letters followed by 4 digits and last character being a letter. Now an option is available to assessee to get the name of his or her mother printed on the card in place of father's name. It also includes cardholder signature, the date on which PAN was issued, and a QR code for rapid verification. Holograms and watermarks are the two further security elements that PAN card contains to prevent forgery and for enhanced credibility, a seal from Income Tax Department. Let's discuss the structure of a PAN. The PAN is a 10-character alphanumeric unique identification number. For example, here in this example AFD, this stands a series ranging from AAA to ZZZ. The fourth character of a PAN represents the status of a card holder. For example, if the fourth character is a P, that means this PAN card belongs to an individual. If the fourth character is F, that means this is a PAN card of a firm. If the fourth character is C, that means this PAN card belongs to a company. So fourth character indicates the status of a PAN holder. By seeing the fourth character, we can identify who is the assessee. The fifth character represents the first letter of PAN holder's last name. For example, if the name of a person is Rajiv Sharma, then the fifth character will be S. If the name of a person is Rohit Kumar, then the fifth character will be the K. But in case a person is having no surname, for example, Mr. Rajiv, then the fifth character will be the first letter of your first name, that is R. Next 4 characters, these are the numeric number. The next 4 character represents the digits ranging between 00012 to 9999. And the 10th character K is an alphabetic check digit that runs from A to Z. So what is the need of PAN? For payment of our taxes like income tax, corporate tax. For filing our income tax return, we need PAN because our user ID will be our PAN. To avoid the deduction of tax at source at a higher rate than actual. For example, if the rate of TDS is 5%, but in case a person fails to give his or her PAN number, then it is the responsibility of the deductor to deduct tax at source at a higher rate, that is 20%. So to avoid deduction of tax at a higher rate, we must have a PAN. Law also has made certain given transactions where the quoting of PAN is compulsory. So every person who is entering into these transactions, he must have the PAN. For example, sale or purchase of an immovable property of value rupees 5 lakh or more, sale or purchase of a vehicle other than a two-wheeler like car, vehicle, any other van, then it is compulsory to give your PAN number. A person who makes payment to hotel or restaurant of an amount more than 50,000, it is compulsory for him to give his PAN number. Cash expenses incurred in a foreign trip more than 50,000. If you want to open your new bank account, Then you have to give your PAN number. However, in case of a minor, he can give the PAN of his or her father. If you want to buy the bank draft or bank check, then more than 50,000, even then PAN is compulsory. If you want to apply for a credit card, debit card, even then PAN is compulsory. If you want to purchase securities of more than rupees 1 lakh or want to open your demat account or want to purchase mutual funds more than 50,000, even then PAN is compulsory. So if a person purchases jewelry of more than rupees 5 lakh, even then he has to give his PAN number. Now question arises, who can apply for PAN? There is no age limit for applying for PAN card. Even a minor can apply for PAN. Even a person who is having no income can also apply for PAN. So any person, maybe individual, HUF, company, firm, LLP, maybe resident or non-resident, Indian citizen can apply for PAN. Even a foreign citizen who pay taxes in India can apply for PAN. So who must apply for PAN? For the following assessees, it is compulsory to apply for PAN. Anybody who earns a taxable income, that means whose income is more than exempted limit, is liable to apply for PAN. Anybody who runs a business and having a gross turnover more than rupees 5 lakh in the previous financial year, and every person who wants to file income tax return, it is compulsory for them to apply for PAN. So question arises, how we can apply for PAN? For Indian citizens or a resident HUF or a resident company or any resident person who wants to apply for PAN, he has to apply on form number 49A. However, a foreign national who wants to apply for PAN can apply on form number 49AA. What are the documents required for applying for PAN? For individuals and HUF, we have to give the documents as a proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of your date of birth. So Aadhaar is one document which serves all the purpose. However, beside Aadhaar, you can give proof of in the form of proof of ID. You can give your voter ID card, your password, driving license, or you can ration card as a proof of address. Same documents like water bill, your bank statement account, and proof of date of birth. You can give your Aadhaar number, voter ID card, driving license, or your matriculation certificate. However, for assessees other than individual and HUF, for example, if a company wants to apply for a PAN, then copy of certificate of registration issued by registrar of companies. If a firm wants to apply, then documents required for PAN application, copy of certificate of registration issued by registrar of firms or copy of partnership deed. In case of LLP, document required are copy of certificate of registration issued by registrar of LLP. In case of association of person, copy of trust deed or copy of certificate of registration number issued. Where you can apply for PAN. The two websites authorized by Government of India to issue PAN or make corrections in the PAN on the behalf of Income Tax Department, that is Protean e-Government Technologies, earlier it is known as NSDL, and UTI-TSL, that is UTI Infrastructure Technology and Services Limited. How to apply for PAN card? We can apply for PAN card in two modes. We can apply online as well as offline. We can apply for PAN card from home through personal computers or laptop in online application. Through online mode, we can have the physical laminated card as well as we can have e-PAN. So procedure to have PAN in physical form. First of all, you have to visit the site of NSDL or UTISL website, then fill the application form and click on the submit button. Verify your address and click on the proceeds to make the payment. For making payment, in case of a resident person, the total payment required is 110, and in case of NRI, the total payment required is 1020 rupees. After making the payment, then you can take the printout, paste your photo, get it signed, and then again upload it and submit it. And after within 10 days, you will get your PAN on your address. Procedure to apply for instant ePAN. Through this process, you can get a ePAN within just 10 minutes. In this form, you will get only e-copy, not the hard one. But the pre-requirement is that your Aadhaar card must be linked with your registered mobile number. So first of all, you have to visit the official website of Income Tax Department, that is www.incometax.gov.in. On the left side of the page, click on the icon Instant ePAN. Click on the Get New PAN. You can also check status of your application. If you have made application earlier, you can check the status. Enter your Aadhaar number and OTP will send to your registered mobile number. Fill that OTP in the space given. Validate your Aadhaar details. Then validate your email ID. You will receive 15-digit acknowledgement number. And within 10 to 20 minutes, you will receive a ePAN in your email ID. In case you have not given your email ID, then first link your email ID, or if you are not having an email ID, then on the first page, download option is also available. You can also apply for PAN through offline mode. For that purpose, you have to visit the site again, and from there you can download the form 49A, fill the form manually, put your signatures, attach the documents required, for example your Aadhaar card, and submit along with the processing fees to the nearest NSTL or UTI STL site, and PAN will be sent to your given address within the prescribed time period. Now let's discuss frequently asked questions. Can a person hold more than one PAN card? No, a person cannot have more than one PAN number. If caught by Income Tax Department, they can send you a legal notice and also can impose a penalty amounting rupees 10,000. Is PAN compulsory to get educational loan? Though it is mandatory to have PAN card, but Aadhaar card is also sufficient, and in supporting documents, parent PAN is compulsory. So what is the procedure to apply when PAN card is lost, or how we can get the duplicate PAN card if our original PAN card is destroyed? In case your PAN card is lost, then firstly lodge an FIR in the police station, as this will provide you a legal base for the issuance of duplicate PAN card. Now go to the official website, select the application type as changes or correction in the existing PAN, or reprint the PAN card. In case there is a change in the data, then fill the necessary details and then submit it. A token number will be generated and sent to your registered email ID. Note down the future token number for your future references or for further correspondence with the department, and then select whether you want to have ePAN or PAN in a physical mode. Rest procedure is the same. Another frequently asked question: is PAN interchangeable with Aadhaar? Yes, PAN and Aadhaar can now be used interchangeably. In this regard, the Central Board of Direct Taxes has issued a notification dated 6 November 2019, amending more than 100 forms, where now an individual can quote either his Aadhaar number in lieu of PAN. That is the end of our topic. Thank you.